How to contact TikTok support. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will learn how we can contact TikTok support. So without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. How to contact TikTok customer support. If you want to contact the customer support on TikTok, what you have to do is to simply launch the TikTok application first. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right. Tap on the three lines icon from the top right hand side, followed by settings and privacy. Scroll down and tap on report a problem. From report a problem, scroll down again until you find the option chat with us from the very bottom. So tap on chat with us button. You can see a TikTok support agent is going to get in touch. Now it could be a bot initially, but as soon as you keep on selecting other or whatever reasons that you have over here, you can simply go ahead and then simply ask a customer agent to get in touch with you, and you can see it says contact an agent. So tap on that link and you can see you have to submit a ticket. So tap on submit a ticket, describe your issue briefly, then tap on the submit button, attach a few screenshots, and you'll be able to contact the agent from TikTok support. That is all for this video. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in our next video.